Hi there, this is Akash. Welcome to Designer Cave, and today we're going to learn how to edit your picture in Photoshop. Let's jump into it. Let's begin with selecting the main character. I generally prefer pen tool for selection. I'm gonna fast forward video a bit much while I am making this selection. We will go little rough on hair, but we will fix it later. Right-click and select Make Selection. Now we need to open Refine Edge. Open Select. Press Shift and select Select and Marks, which will bring up Refine Edge dialog box. Use Refine Edge brush tool and click and drag over the edges of hair. Let's remove the extra portions. Let's bring our background. You can download the background link in the description. Now adjust the size of the background and the character. Now we can see our subject and background are clearly look like the character was just placed over the background. We will blend these two composites. Here is the way I like to do. We begin with black and white adjustment layer. And what black and white adjustment layer gonna do for us? It allows us to focus on the brightness level. As we can see, our subject is too brighter than background. Now, we need to create level adjustment layer, make a clipping mask to our subject. I'm gonna take the center slider and move it towards right side. We will do the same with other slider. Remember, if you take the slider towards right, it will make your subject darker, and if you to take the slides towards left, it will make your subject brighter. Play a little with sliders until you think the brightness level of the pictures are blend together. I'm gonna stop here. Now you will find out that how well the subject and the background blend together. Now let's spice up the picture. Merge all layers together. Select Filter, Camera Raw. We will make the little bit changes on the basic panel. The amounts will be different for your pictures. Bring down the temperature bit much, it will add aqua colors to the image. And increase tint to make the red colors pop up. I think we are done. Let's hit OK. Here is the after and before of camera raw. If you don't like to add extra lights in picture, you are good to go. But I'm gonna add some life to pop up a little. You can download the image for free, link will be in description. Change the layer mode to screen. Now let's pick up your eraser tool and decrease its opacity and start removing unwanted parts. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any interesting video. Let's meet you in our next video. Until then, keep creating.